In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the MetaTrader authorization error by correctly re-entering your Exness account details and choosing the right server. First, open MetaTrader and take a moment to confirm that you're actually seeing an authorization error. This usually appears in the bottom right connection area or in the journal/log tab and often means MetaTrader can't match your login details or server to your brokerage account. Knowing that helps you focus on what to fix, the account information and the server selection. Next, review the account information you've added to MetaTrader. You should be using the exact trading account login, the correct trading password, and the precise server name assigned to that account. Small mistakes, like an extra space, a wrong character, or mixing up a personal area password with a trading password will cause the error. Be mindful that passwords are case sensitive and account IDs are numbers only. If you've copied anything before, clear the fields to avoid hidden spaces. Now go to Exness and open the specific trading account you want to connect. Carefully copy each detail exactly as it's shown there. The account login number, the trading password, and the server name tied to that account. Copying directly helps prevent typos. After you copy each item, paste it into a temporary note to make sure there aren't extra spaces at the beginning or end, then paste it into MetaTrader. Keep everything consistent. Mixing details from different accounts won't work. Back in MetaTrader, open the login window for trading accounts. Paste your account login and trading password. For the server field, select the exact server from the list. Match every character, including region or suffix, because similar looking server names can belong to different clusters. If you see multiple Exness servers, choose the one that matches your account exactly. Taking a few extra seconds here saves a lot of frustration. After updating all the details, connect your account again. Click to log in and watch the connection status. You should see the status turn green, a reasonable ping time, and your account balance populate. Prices should start updating in the market watch, and the journal should show a successful authorization message. If it still shows an error, double check that each field matches what you copied, especially the server name and password. Then try logging in once more. That's it. By confirming the error, carefully re-entering your Exness account credentials, and selecting the correct server, you'll resolve the MetaTrader authorization error and get back to trading smoothly.